Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the essentials are ready. Your Drivehub is powered, paired, and running the latest firmware, and you have the Rfid tag and MPT account credentials. Once paired, open the Drivehub app and sign in. The app needs a live connection to push Rfid assignments. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi stay active during setup. These steps prevent interruptions and explain why connectivity and correct firmware matter before you attempt any account linking. Next, navigate to Menu, then Devices, and choose Rfid Management so you can add a new tag. Tap Add Tag, then place the Rfid on the Drivehub reader. Watch for the app confirmation beep or green indicator. Once detected, assign the tag to your MPT account and give it a clear name and permission level. This is how the system recognizes users and enforces access. Save changes and allow the app to upload settings. This sync step writes the account linkage to. Finally, verify the setup by testing the tag on the Drivehub reader and confirming the MPT account shows activity in logs. This proves the tag and account are linked. Make a backup of the configuration and sync device logs to the cloud for records. If something goes wrong, repair Bluetooth, confirm the tag is compatible with Drivehub, and repeat the add tag flow. Often a simple repair or using a different tag resolves write or detection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.